Something powerful is happening across our community. Because of your generosity, students are walking into their classroom with backpacks full of supplies. You didn't just donate supplies, you gave students the tools, encouragement, and support they need to thrive. Through your time, generosity, and heart, the Empower Pack project was a powerful reminder of what we can achieve together. On behalf of Stafford County Public Schools, thank you for helping our students feel confident, valued, and prepared to excel.